Well, hey there, everybody. What we're looking at here this evening will be dense fog forming first along the coast, then inland. Dense fog advisory goes into effect at 10 o'clock tonight through 6 in the morning. This is that grayed out area there for all of the Georgia coast. Low country could still have fog, just not under that advisory that extends inland as well, all the way past Waycross. So it's going to be a foggy evening for us, but it's kind of understandable when you go and feel how much moisture is in the air when you walk outside. It's also a little bit on the warm side of things as well. So taking a look at those temperatures that we're seeing as this loads up for us here this evening, the temperatures are in the 60s. It's very warm out there. Dew points pretty high as well. 59 over in Statesboro being the exception. So a mild evening, mostly dry for a lot of us, but there's a little bit of rain out there to talk about more overnight, and that's going to be our next rain chance, of course. Right now, this is the Fair and Fair First Alert live radar, and we're seeing that rain off to the north of I-16, north of Vidalia. So for us here in the Low Country and the Coastal Empire, we're dry for the evening, but check this out. Lots of moisture still off to our southwest, and what we're seeing here is rain in southwest Georgia that will eventually be expanding into western portions of the Coastal Empire, then eventually up toward the Low Country. This is going to happen while most of us are sleeping. So what does that mean for your date night, your evening plans if you're about to head out here shortly? Well, of course, as we get past 10 o'clock, a dense fog going to be possible, but otherwise that rain chance just really not there for us for this evening. Happens after midnight. So let's take a look at that rain. Updated data coming in here, timing that out for us. Notice that rain pushing on in here after midnight. It's not really going to be heavy like the model suggests, but just kind of focus on where the rain's actually going to be. So western communities closer to midnight, and then as we go to 2 in the morning, it's expanding, it's widening out a little bit. Most of us sleeping right on through this, but if you wake up in the morning and the pavement's wet or you've got raindrops on your windshield when you get in the car in the morning, well, this is going to be why. When more folks are getting up and at them, they're about 6 o'clock Sunday morning. It's going to be very foggy out there. The rain could help deter a little bit of that, but I still think it's going to be, we're going to have poor visibility coming up on our Sunday morning. And then scattered showers are just going to linger as we go through the morning. 8, 9 o'clock, mainly off to the north in the Low Country, but also check this out. We go right after lunchtime. Still just a few lingering showers, but not widespread. So we're drying out, having less widespread rain as we go throughout the day. So that's a little bit of good news for people that need to get out and about. It's going to be very warm out there as well. So another rain chance is coming our way, but we'll go ahead and give this forecast first here. You can see the fog there, and that's going to lift as we go into the afternoon with the rain still scattered around, and highs tomorrow in the lower 70s. So a warm day and more rain, and even, there goes the mouse, even warmer weather on the way. So check this out. I'm going to start this Monday morning. A little bit of light rain possible in northern communities, north of I-16, Hampton County, it's possible, but most of Monday, pretty dry. A lot of folks have been paying extra close attention to Monday's forecast because, of course, you want to know if it's going to be dry to shoot off those fireworks, or if you have to be on the roads New Year's Eve, be careful. Looks like, at least for us here in the Low Country and the Coastal Empire, they're going to be relatively dry, which is good news. So let's just go to midnight right there. Not so bad, right? A favorable forecast. Don't think too many people will be upset about that one. But then late Tuesday is then going to be our next chance of decent rainfall here. You can see that darker shade of green. Decent coverage for us. Wednesday's looking very wet for us as well. So the morning, some scattered showers, and then again on Wednesday. So a little bit of a break from the rain. Not everybody can see it every day, but it's going to be out there, and we're still in this unsettled weather pattern for the next few days. Looking at the next 3 days, you'll see those temperatures going up. Lower 70s tomorrow, mid 70s Monday, and then even upper 70s possible Tuesday. Yeah, we could be very close to breaking, or at least tying, record high on Tuesday as we ring in 2019. Then very good coverage of rain Wednesday, 68 though. Notice a 10-degree drop off, not in the morning, but then we're finally going to start having cooler mornings by Thursday of this coming week. Still some showers around. Mid 40s expected Friday. Rain still possible, but I think next weekend very consistently dry in what I'm looking at. So a little bit of light at the end of the tunnel of this rainy tunnel that we have here in the 7-day forecast. Of course, if you have any questions, you can get a hold of me on Facebook, email me. I'm here for those. Otherwise, I hope you have a good rest of your Saturday evening.